During hustle.
Yeah. It's still all life, big dreams. It's crazy, dog.
Senza izinto abantu becabanga ukuthi siyahlanya uyahaslinga sifuna lokho okungenayo kuphela.
Just like the other night, what I saw on my sleep. Everything that I saw in my dreams, they just coming together. Now I know the real truth. I ain't living forever. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, and do this thing for my son. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and yeah, I gotta hustle up and do this thing for my son. Fast thing, fast, we ain't living forever. We gotta face that thing and keep it together. It doesn't matter, you do better, but life is always changing like the weather, so it's now or never. That's when I came back to my thought, and then I thought I'm